In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you're able to set up donations for your Twitch live streams utilizing Stream Elements. So jumping straight into the video, the very first thing you want to do is head on over to streamelements.com. And as always, I'm going to make sure that I have a link to every website that I go to down in the description below of today's video. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come to the right hand corner and you're going to log in with your Twitch account. And so now once you're on your Stream Elements dashboard, you're going to come to the left hand side, you're going to select revenue, and you're going to come down to tipping settings. This is where we're going to go to set up all of our donations. And so the first thing you want to do is click on this drop down menu right here under payment providers, and you want to put in your email address that's associated with your PayPal account. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, they do have a second option here for SE Pay, which stands for Stream Elements Pay. There will be a button on the right hand side for you to connect, and you'll just have to go through the application process to set this up. And so once you put in that information here, you're going to go to the second drop down menu, and this is where you're going to set up all of your currency as well as your dollar amount. And so I live in the United States, so I'm going to select USD for mine. But if you're in a different country, they do have options here for each and every country. And so once you have that selected, you are then going to set your minimal amount as to how much somebody can donate. So I'm going to leave mine at $1 just so that way I don't get somebody spamming a bunch of cents inside of my chats. For the maximum amount, we're going to leave that at no limit so that way they can donate as much as they want to. For the suggested amount, you're going to also leave that at $1. For the maximum message length, we're going to leave that at 255. And now for the next section right here, this is going to be for security purposes. So you have an option to either turn this on or to turn this off. But if you do end up turning this off, this is not available for SE Pay. So this is only for those that has a PayPal account. But if you decide to turn this on, this will basically allow your viewers to be able to edit their usernames in case if they want to be able to donate anonymously. However, they will need to log into the Stream Elements account in order for them to be able to donate to you. This is to prevent anybody from doing chargebacks, so that way all the donations that you receive are final. Now, there is another option down here which basically locks their username, so this ultimately will just prevent them from being able to donate anonymously. So it's going to showcase their username and you're going to know exactly who donated to you. So you have an option to choose either or. I'm going to leave mine as is just in case if somebody do want to donate anonymously. Now, I highly recommend checking this box right here as well, as what this is going to do is going to prevent anybody who has done a chargeback from another streamer in the past from being able to tip you as well, so that way they don't also do a chargeback on your account. And so I think that's a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine checked. And then for the next section right here is your tipping presets. So you can set this one however you like. I have mine set in $5 intervals. So just in case if somebody wants to donate $5, they can go ahead and just click it, and then they will be able to automatically donate $5. But you have an option to choose by just putting it in down here, and then it will show up once you create the actual page. Just make sure that you have this checked and you're good to go. Now for the next section is design. And so this is how you're going to customize the overall look of your donation page. And so you want to definitely give this a title. Mine is Donate to Trey Rashad. You want to also give a message to anybody that donated to you. Mine is something simple. So thanks for donating or thanks for tipping. And it also provides their username. And then down here, you have an option to add in a background as well as a page banner. And so if you don't already have a banner, then I highly recommend checking out Etsy. Now, the one thing that I love about Etsy's catalog when it comes to their streamer section is the fact that you can get a lot of good overlays or even banners for as little as 25 cents. And they all come in really good quality, as well as providing you with panels and so much more. And they fit any vibe or aesthetic that you are going for. And so if you need any banners for your donation page or even for your Twitch, I highly recommend just coming over to Etsy and look for the one that you want, so that way you can have the type of theme that you're looking for your stream. Now, once you have your background as well as your header, you can go ahead and you can put them in right here. And then what you're going to do is come down to the bottom. You'll have two options. You can either leave them checked if they're already checked. If not, then you can go ahead and check these. This basically just showcases the top 10 donators or tippers for your channel. And then you can also showcase the total amount on the leaderboard. I like having that on my particular donation page, so I'm gonna leave that checked, but that's entirely up to you if you want that for yourself. The next section is going to be your tip panel setup. This is basically just going to be a link to your donation page. But before we copy this, we're going to come down to our tip moderation. If you want to ban any certain words like curse words or anything specific, you can do that right here. And you can actually turn on the automatic tip message filtering, and it will either hide those words that you banned with asterisks, or you can have it set for emojis. You can do like happy words or anything like that. And if you're somebody that wants to manually accept or approve your donations, then you can also set that up down here as well. And so once you have that set, you're then going to come back up. You're going to copy the URL. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to head on over to your Twitch channel. Now, once you made it to your Twitch channel, there are 3 ways on how you're able to spread your donation link. The very first way is by adding your donation link right here in your about section on your channel. And so in order to do this, you're going to come on the right hand side where it says edit about and links. It's going to bring you over to your page here. You're going to scroll down to where it says social links, and then you are going to basically just add one. So for example, if I were to remove this, it will provide me with a link title. I can say donate, and then I paste my URL link. I press add. The donation link will then pop up right down here. If I were to go back to my channel and I click donate, it's automatically going to bring me to my donation page. The second way on how you're able to do this is by adding a panel. So under the about section, you're going to select where it says edit panels. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click on this plus icon right here. It's going to bring up this, and you're going to select the first option. You are then going to select your link right here. And then you're going to also upload your panel that you've downloaded. So if you downloaded a panel from Etsy, this is where you're going to paste it at. So once you paste your image, which I already have one technically right over here, you are then going to add in a description, scroll down and submit. Once you submit it, you're going to scroll up, click on edit panels again, and you will see that your donate link will be right here. If you click on it, it will bring you directly to your donation page. Now, the very third way is by adding in a command inside of your chat. And so in order for you to do that, what you're going to do is come back to Stream Elements. You're going to go over to Chatbot. You're going to go to Commands. You're going to do Custom Commands. You're going to select Add a New Command. From here, you can name this Dono. And then what you're going to do is type here, you can donate to, for me, I'm going to put Trey Rashad, but you can put whatever you like here, and then just paste your link. Once you activate the command, which I already have it, so it's not going to give me the option to add it again because it's a copy, but you'll be able to go into your Twitch channel. So by clicking on chat, and then you can just do !dono. It will then pop up right here. And then if they click on it, it'll take you directly to your donation page. And so that's it. That's how you're able to set up donations for your live streams on Twitch. And so if you made it to the end of this video, or if you found this helpful, make sure you give this a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as turning on post notifications so that way you do not miss a single video that gets posted up on this channel. And in case you want to learn how to add in overlays and alerts so that way you can make your stream look more professional, especially with the donations, then make sure you click on this video right here, and I'll walk you through step by step on how you're able to do that utilizing Stream Elements.